Different materials and products require different cutting methods. Professional tailor scissors are commonly used for sample development, pattern making, trimming, and small batch production. Handheld electric hot cutters are ideal for polyester fabrics, flags, webbing, tents, and other synthetic materials. The heated blade cuts and seals the edge at the same time. For large fabric rolls and oversized materials, we use a track-mounted fabric cutting machine to achieve straight, accurate, and consistent cutting. Vertical straight knife cutting machines can cut multiple layers of fabric simultaneously, making them ideal for bulk production. Laser cutting machines are used for complex shapes and irregular patterns, delivering clean edges without fraying. Hot cutting slitting machines are ideal for ribbons, labels, synthetic fabrics, and other materials that require sealed edges. Swing arm hydraulic cutting presses are widely used for fabric, leather, sponge, and nonwoven materials, ensuring consistent mass production. From manual cutting to automated equipment, every method serves a specific purpose. This is how Pacesetter transforms raw fabric into high-quality textile products.